In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create appointments on your Wix website. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor. This is where you will manage your site layout, features, and booking tools. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side and click on Add Apps. This will open the Wix App Market where you can search for and install extra features for your website. In the search bar, type Wix Bookings. When it appears, click Add to Site, then give it a few moments to install. After the app is added, Wix will automatically create the essential booking pages for you. These usually include the Book Online page, the Service page, the Booking Calendar, and the Booking Form. This saves you time and gives you a ready-made structure to work with. Once the app finishes loading, a setup window will appear. From here, click Add a new service, which will take you into your booking dashboard. In the service setup, choose Appointment as your service type. This option is ideal for one-on-one sessions, consultations, or any service that customers book individually. Now fill in the key details for your appointment. Add the service name, the duration, and any buffer time you want between appointments. Buffer time is especially useful if you need a short break. Preparation time, or a few minutes between clients. You will also set your pricing here, so make sure it reflects the value and length of the service you are offering. Next, choose the appointment location. Depending on how your business works, this could be your business address, an online meeting link, or the client's home. Be clear and accurate here so your customers know exactly how and where the appointment will happen. After that, go to the booking calendar in your dashboard and click Business Hours. This is where you define your availability. Set your working days, your start and finish times, and make sure to mark any days when you are unavailable. Taking a moment to configure this correctly helps avoid confusion later and makes the booking process much smoother for both you and your clients. To help prevent double booking, it's a good idea to sync your external calendar, such as Google Calendar. That way, personal events or existing commitments can automatically block out times when you are not available. Finally, return to the Wix editor and review your new booking pages. Make sure everything matches your site's design and looks consistent with your brand. When you are happy with the setup, click Publish to make your appointments live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.